guys and girls, in this video we're going to take a look at the best gaming PCs. I made my research and this list reflects my personal opinion, and I've listed products based on quality, durability, price, and more. I've included options for every type of consumer, so if you're looking for an entry-level option or the best product money can buy, we may have the product for you in this list. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. The products mentioned are in no exact order, so be sure to stay to the end so you don't miss anything. Also, if you want a chance to win one of the gaming PCs in the video, just subscribe, don't forget to hit the notification bell, and leave a comment with a hidden word in the video. We will pick a winner and notify them when we reach 5,000 likes. Okay, so without further ado, this is our pick of the best gaming PCs on the market right now. Coming at number 8, we've got the Alienware Aurora R11. For anyone after a stylish machine, the Aurora certainly delivers. But its sleek and space-esque design isn't the only defining feature. Featuring the latest generation Intel Core i7 processor and 16GB HyperX Fury memory at 2933 MHz for greater multitasking capabilities and powerful performance. Liquid-cooled graphics for high graphic performance, this is the best of a gaming PC. While it's outfitted with everything to give you a decent gaming experience, the reason to buy it is its versatility. It's compatible with AMD Ryzen 7, and it can hold multiple graphics cards that can handle the most intricate VR games without a problem. Coming in number 7, CyberPower PC Gamer Extreme VR. The CyberPower PC Gamer Extreme is ready to take you on a VR journey straight out of the box. Impressive for under $1,000. With 16GB being the recommendation for VR gaming, this is a pretty great setup, and equally impressive even if you're not using it for VR games. This is an easily customizable PC that can be updated as gaming technology advances, instead of having to shell out a bunch of cash for a new console every few years. Number 6, Skytech Blaze 2. On a budget? No worries. You could totally find a quality gaming PC under $1,000. This one has a 500GB hard drive and an 8GB of gaming memory. Whether you're playing Fortnite, Chapter 2, World of Warcraft, or Call of Duty, this budget-friendly PC has got your back. Coming in number 5, iBUYPOWER Gaming PC. If customization is what you're after, this model is a good fit. The iBUYPOWER Pro Gaming PC features an Intel Core i7 processor, 8GB of RAM, or the 1TB of storage, which will enhance your device, but still let you keep a reasonable budget. As far as aesthetics go, the exterior design is fun, bright, and colorful, which indicates its gaming prowess. Coming in number 4, Acer Nitro 50. The Nitro 50 is a great gaming desktop PC for budget-minded shoppers, priced well below $1,000. It has an understated design and robust hardware specs, including a 10th generation Intel Core i5 CPU with 6-core architecture, an NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1650 graphics card, and a speedy 512GB SSD. Combined, they deliver full HD gameplay with good quality. Acer also is equipped with a Nitro 50 with an impressive set of wired and wireless connectivity options. The highlights include Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5, 7 USB-A ports, and a USB-C connector. Number 3, HP Envy 32. The HP Envy 32 is not only one of the best all-in-one desktop computers available today, but also a respectable gaming rig. Available with a compatible NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2060 graphics card, the space-saving PC can deliver an excellent big-screen gaming experience in Full HD. The NV32 has a 32-inch 4K HDR display panel, providing a vast and vibrant canvas for working, playing, or streaming. We also like that its base has a built-in QI wireless charger for smartphones and other compatible gadgets. Coming at number 2, Asus ROG Strix G15CK. The ROG Strix G15CK is a great gaming desktop with top-notch specs and attention-commanding design. It's considerably pricier than the HP Omen 25L, but also more capable, thanks to a beefier NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2070 Super graphics card. Compared to its HP rival, this PC also features more future-proof Wi-Fi 6. The device's wired connectivity options are also excellent. They include 2 USB-C ports, 7 USB-A ports, and HDMI, and a trio of DisplayPort connectors. Bluetooth 5 connectivity is also on board. Number 1. Alienware Aurora R10. The Alienware Aurora R10 gaming desktop impressed us with its sleek design, solid specs headlined by 512GB SSD, front ports for easy access, the option for custom upgrades, and impressive performance thanks to the AMD Ryzen 7 CPU, all at a reasonable price for what you get. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide for the best gaming PCs. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one. And if you like this content, don't forget to subscribe and get notified when we launch new videos. Thanks for watching. Peace.